kreatifnya itu karena kita melihat bahwa tempe itu adalah makanan yang sangat populer, terutama di Amerika. Dan I was surprised kalau kita bisa melihat banyak orang-orang Amerika atau non-Indonesian people itu sangat menyukai tempe. Dan maka dari itu kita pikir kenapa kalau enggak sekali-sekali kita bikin acara Tempe Day di New York City. Dan kebetulan sekali Bapak Winanto Adi mensupport acara ini dan menunjuk saya sebagai salah satu koordinator acara Tempe Day di New York City.
I'm definitely a meat eater, and I would even be able to tell it's a meat. Yeah.
But are you
good, though.
Are you generally vegan, vegetarian, or?
No, I love meat.
Oh, great.
Yeah, but it's really good.
I love it. I mean, I've had it at Fuji food truck in Bushwick, and I was more aware of it as a meat substitute before. But I didn't know that it originated in Indonesia, and to understand kind of the sustainability and the bioeconomy piece of it. It was extremely interesting because I am in public health, and these are kind of things that are of concern to me as a global citizen. But I really enjoy seeing tempe in more Indonesian culinary setting and kind of understand the context of it. So it's been extremely informative and really cool to see. Because also being from Vietnam, I don't really know much about my neighbors. This is great.
Before I came here, I only know two types of tempe. Sebelum saya datang ke sini, saya hanya tahu dua jenis tempe, yaitu tempe goreng dan tempe tumis.
Tumis sambal goreng tumis ya.
Tapi setelah saya datang ke sini, saya baru tahu kalau tempe itu banyak sekali cara masaknya. So it's very interesting for me and very amazing.
Seperti kita ketahui bahwa salah satu prioritas kita adalah meningkatkan ekonomi kreatif. Tentunya kemampuan kekayaan kita di bidang masakan tempe adalah suatu potensi yang cukup bagus. Oleh karenanya KJRI New York dengan semangat mengadakan acara ini dengan tujuan bagaimana memasarkan tempe sehingga dapat menembus pasar di New York.
The event, fantastic. I really enjoyed the presentation. I thought that was great. He knows more about tempe than anybody in the world, as far as I'm concerned. And I like the idea of spreading the word about tempe and using that as almost a universal food kind of thing, and let the world find out about it. I would love to get my hands on his Bible, his Tempe Bible. I want to ask him about it later because it's got everything in it from what I can tell. So the presentation was fantastic. The event is fantastic as well because the food here, everything I've tasted so far has been everything from very good to oh my God. That is outstanding. Absolutely wonderful. So I'm a happy camper. I think one of the things that people need to learn about, because some people know what tempeh is, they know it in one form or another perhaps. All of these dishes are radically different from each other. There's something here for everyone. And that's one of the things that I think is really outstanding. It is such a versatile food, and you can do so much with it. So I'm thrilled to be here and very, very pleased to have been invited.